Okay, yes, I get it. I'll stop changing my mind and I'll build the planes I'm supposed to build. Okay? Thanks, buds. You're the greatest co-pilot ever. Oh, hi there. Didn't see you. Bentley, my co-pilot there, was giving me a little bit of a pep talk about changing my mind again for my 2019 build plan. But anyway, I have, and I hope that this will be the last time. So, if you watched my previous video, which was the second change to my 2019 build plan, after the Ground Control RC F22 Mini V3, which I've had the Bravo version out now for 2 really good flight sessions. I think we're getting close to wrapping that up. It's just an awesome little park jet. It's super fast and nimble. So anyway, more to follow on that. I'll have links to Ground Control RC's channel and Patreon site down below. So in the last video, I was going to be doing a step-by-step build video series on a modified Su-30 version 4, very similar to this faithful beast. But I've decided that with everything else that I've sort of bid off, with motor, ESC, prop testing, battery testing, all that sort of stuff, that I've decided to do, and I'll have that video linked down below as well, to take on do a build that doesn't require as much time and attention to detail, doing a lot of mods, because I was going to be doing a lot of mods on the Su-30. I've actually done a video. One of my loyal YouTube followers requested that I do a video on all the mods that I've done, so I'll link that down below too if you're interested in the mods that I do to the RC Powers Su-30 version 4. You can go ahead and watch that. So what I've decided to do is build another NAMC MiG-35B here, which I helped to develop and test. This is actually number 10 that I've built since the very first prototype, so this next one will be number 11. I'm building it essentially stock. I'm probably going to move the motor mount forward because I will be building it primarily from Dollar Tree foam. I'm going to do the same as I was going to do with the Su-30 version 4. I will build the nacelles and the vertical stabilizer, and my elevons will be made out of Depron, but what I will also do is cut out those pieces in Dollar Tree foam and show you how I would prepare those if I was going to build the entire plane out of Dollar Tree foam. I actually have built one of these MiG-35Bs entirely out of Dollar Tree foam. I'll have some links down below about that if you're interested. It flew really just awesome, but for the way that I like my planes to perform, I wanted a little bit more stiffness in the longitudinal axis, which is why now I use Depron. So anyway, well, I shouldn't say, other than the motor, I'm actually going to modify it in that I'm going to downsize it. The stock wingspan on this plane is 27 inches. I have built one with a 24-inch wingspan, Mini MiG. I'll have a link to a video on that down below. It was seriously fast and quick and agile, but I found that it wasn't quite, I'd gone a little bit small maybe and lost a little bit too much stability because of that, and I found sometimes it was a bit of a handful in a bit of wind. So I'm going to kind of split the difference, and the next one I'm going to build will have a 25.5-inch wingspan. I'm thinking that it will maybe find one of my Brother Hobby Speed Shield 2207.5 3400 kV motors might find a home in that bad boy as I get testing that in preparation for building my rocket ship dragster Su-30 version 4 probably later on in the year. So anyway, I will continue my therapy sessions with my co-pilot Bentley and hope that I won't change my mind again. But I think that it will be, you know, the techniques and build techniques and everything else that I wanted to demonstrate in this build series will all still be there, but I won't have the distractions of doing all of the modifications that I was going to do to the SU-30. I was going to give this this old gal the summer off, but I think you know, she's been holding up so well. I'm going to continue flying the wings off it. It will also act as a great test bed for many of the components that I've talked about that I want to test this year. And I have about 420 flights on it now, so I want to see if I can push it to 500. I don't think I've ever had a park jet with 500 flights on it before, so anyway, that'll be interesting. So there we go, folks. Again, please check out the link, the video description down below. Lots more links on where you can get the plans for this plane, the Nancy MiG-35B, and many of the other things that I've already discussed. So appreciate your patience. I should hopefully be getting going on that build within the next couple of weeks, as we're getting closer to wrapping up the Ground Control RC F-22 Mini version 3. So thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.